There are two principal parts of the nervous system, the first one being the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The second is the peripheral nervous system, which consists of, well, everything else. There are two different divisions of the peripheral nervous system. The first one shown here is the sensory division. It's in charge of carrying information to the brain and spinal cord. The other is called the motor division, and it's in charge of taking information from the brain and spinal cord and sending it off to the rest of the body.
Now very briefly I'm going to talk about neurons. Neurons are the senders and receivers of information that are sent throughout the body. Now neurons are made up of cell bodies. Those are the main parts of the neuron. Now what break off of the cell bodies are called dendrites. The dendrites are slender extensions of the cell body, and they break off and receive information from other neurons.
The information from other neurons are called impulses. Those impulses are generated when neurons open and close ion channels. In this example we are trying to demonstrate, the door represents the ion channels, whereas the dog represents the impulses being sent to the rest of the body. Only 20% of the cells in the human nervous system are neurons. The rest are called neuroglial cells, and they provide the neuron with physical support. They're also in charge of protecting the neuron. Now very briefly I'm going to mention reflexes, but more specifically spinal reflexes. Spinal reflexes are involuntary responses that are mediated by the spinal cord and nerves.